Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we are going to learn how to upload a PDF file onto the Wixel editor in case you want to edit your PDF file there. So let's get started. Go to wixel.com and make sure you're logged in. You can log in using your existing Wix account or you can sign up. Once you're logged in, go to My Projects and here click on Create, then click on Upload. Select the PDF file that you wish to upload and click on Open. And after loading for a couple of seconds, your document will be opened on the Wixel editor. By the way, you can upload PDF files that contain up to 100 pages at maximum or about 25 MB in size. And using the tools on the toolbar above, you can then work on your PDF. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.